Hello, everybody. One of our most requested videos is to see inside of this gas station from 1921. We spent the last 2 years really trying to clean it out. Unfortunately, when my dad passed, you literally could not get inside this building. There was so much stuff in there. So we've spent the past 2 years kind of trying to sort through everything, figure out what's what, get things kind of put away. And we're finally at a place where we can show what the inside of the building looks like. So this gas station was used to service anybody pumping gas from here between 1921 and about 1988. That was about the last time they pumped gas at Andy's. And in this building, you would have gotten oil, any sort of lubrications, windshield wipers, kind of maintenance type items. There was a candy counter inside and a soda machine at one point. The cash register was obviously in there. Anything you needed parts-wise for a vehicle for more of the service stuff would have been housed inside of Andy's, as it still is. And we've seen lots of videos inside of there. So let's go inside and we're gonna take a look around. Thanks for following along. As we mentioned, all the parts would have been stored inside Andy's here, but this is where you came to get gas. We still have the 3 pumps that sat out here. And this is what the outside looks like. There's so many cool pieces still in there, and we love being able to put up a lot of the original items that you would have seen inside this building. So in a lot of senses, we are so grateful for everything that he saved, even though it meant sorting through piles and piles and piles of things. So let's go inside. You can see we've still got a lot of stuff in here that needs to be taken care of. But there's some really cool pieces in here. We're still figuring out what exactly this building is going to look like. This is where you would have gotten your oil, windshield wiper fluid, things of that nature. There was a soda machine right here. And this was the original counter. So the cash register would have been here. So lots of stuff still in here that needs to be cleared out. So it wasn't a huge building by any stretch. I mean, if you've driven by, you've seen how small it is. Still got the original knob and tube. So we've got our work cut out for us. But we think this space is really cool, and it's a big deal to preserve this. So we're excited to be able to do that, and we're working on some ideas.